It had to be the EFF that comes and says no to first year academic exclusion. Now, as next laptop, I look one laptop man for university or members of the ANC, they send their kids and direct them with my EFF.
South Africans, it's your boy Mboso, and today we are talking about the reality that the ANC government want to sweep under the rug. Today we are diving into the EFF podcast where Mnedi Kabashe and Nombelo Makanya expose the digital device, the war between black student and white rich student, why African black students seems to be failing their first year on high institute. What's the reason behind that? Let's jump into it and find out why.
What are the success rates in helping first year students, especially those that struggled a lot with, registration?
Yo, bra, yabona masikutshela ukuthi EFF is, an alternative and, it's a strategic, organization, particularly for young people.
It's a movement for the people.
Yeah, it's a movement for the people. And programs like Sizofunda Ngenkani, bra, have shown that, we have, that even kids of the ANC or members of the ANC or national leaders of the ANC, they send their kids and direct them with my EFF, because they know that when you get to that space, a university or a college, the only people
that will help
are
you.
able to kick doors, is the young people of the EFF, and through Sizofunda Ngenkani campaign.
This is the part that makes most of the ANC leaders sweat a lot. Mnele says even their own children are told by their parents, go and find the red beret if you want to get registered. It proves that when the system fails, the EFF is the only ones with a plan. Why electing ANC though at the polls but looking for the EFF at the help desk? It's like having a boyfriend who takes you to the party but a best friend who actually buys drinks for you. Listen to this.
The Sizofunda Ngenkani campaign is, a campaign that was started as a result of the Fees Must Fall movement, which is also a brainchild of the EFF, Students' Command. It, speaks to the exclusion of black people in particular from, the academic space. You find and it's not only on a financial question. We look into both academic and financial exclusion.
Yeah.
Because let me just start with the academic exclusion part. Uthola into anifana nommeli. Born and raised a white city. Angazi next nge-laptop. Ngalukubona laptop mangifika university. Nge-computer ukuthi ngi-operate mina without supervision. Because ama-computer lab asezilwana bewafakwa after 2 months antshontshiwe bhozo ibonda. Thatha computer lab yonke, it's gone. So we never really had access to those, platforms. So you expect me to make submissions via uktyper, via laptop or via, a computer. The first 2 months of my academic life, I will be trying to teach myself those things, And I say 2 months because it really is the first 2 months, You find umntana mfethu uzisukela ecofa imvaba ne-cellphone ke uwes
akazayibone.
Ungene ukugibela itaxi wire straight to Park Station, from Park Station where's our vets and khane manje kumele afunde, and some of them are even afraid to say because they see this thing is normalized. Hleli nomlungu vula imebook eklasini beke iPhone yakhe la eduze kwakhe ama-earphone ngapha ulana ngapha uyangithola lo muntu i-system wena ubonile access book bongihleka ngayo 72 pages, ukhipha leyo 72 pages uyibeka etafuleni, ukhipha ipensela uka-afford ne-ball pen, phethe ipensela enqampukile
neraba yakhe encane.
So first day in class, mawuthi uyazibheka ngapha confidence ayikabi ne-NSFAS ayikakhahlile or awukayiqualifyile because of the maladministration that takes place there. Fast forward, first block, second block, ufailile first semester, end of the year, but you're academically excluded. Buyele ekhaya. How do you say to someone like that, why don't you first bridge the gap, give them an opportunity first to participate properly, learn? Masobon would this person has been integrated, because there's also that last question that we needed to mend before this person has to participate. You first deal with that integration more greater as an institution that claims that there's transformation that take place through their platforms. You need to make sure that you consider those things, but they were quiet all along.
Yeah.
It had to be the EFF that comes and says no. to first year and first year academic exclusion. Now, in most universities, because the EFF led, there is no first year academic exclusion. You are able immediately, more first year. Now it's even regardless of your background. You just say, okay, first year is fine. We'll give you an opportunity. We'll next year without any, form of penalties. None. Then by second year, they expect that, okay, I man, and it's normalized. You can live Ikasi, Shama 7 distinctions, Figure Vets, Baba. First assignment, 20%. Second assignment, 40%. You're going to an exam with an average of 30. Get a white person there, ChatGPT into Zake, from high school, they
have access. It's exactly what I was saying, that access to opportunities as well.
So those things, that's why we had to start fighting as the EFF Youth Students Command at the time.